Over the last few years, the landscape of information technology trends has changed significantly. New technologies arose while others are losing their momentum. Here is the top trends that define the future of information technology. Web design, web development, software, blockchain, future of information technology, digital marketing, automation, cloud computing, virtual reality, machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data and analytics. You need to pay attention to it now if you want to be a part of the future of information technology. This is the right time to learn these technologies. So where to learn these technologies? Welcome to MDA IT Hub. Here you can learn these top trends technologies and become certified developer. From beginner to expert in just 6 months of training. 1,000 plus students land their dream job and become successful developer. You will learn from top experts with personalized mentorship. We will teach you the core concept of programming. Not just learn, you will understand the logic of programming. Start your tech journey with MDA IT Hub.